Hi guys, this is Brandon with Step Rock Media. And we're back on the program, Finding My Voice. This is distracting to my face on the screen, but it pops if I don't do it. That's just, you can't win here, can you? This episode is tough for me. I'm gonna get emotional because it's called acting. That's what you do when you're acting. Voice acting is acting, but with your voice. But you still have to act. If you watch my video about my background, one of the things that was super helpful to me was doing college theater. You get run through the ringer, be happy, be sad, be excited, be upset. And, you got to get up on stage and really deliver. That's some great coaching right there. So many people want to get into voice acting and they can't act worth a hoot. You got to be able to act, okay? There's two big schools of thought when it comes to acting, okay? There's two different schools of thought. I will talk about them after this totally fake presentation to demonstrate how you might use acting in a commercial piece. It'd be better off, I think, just try to listen and don't watch. I'm not even going to watch myself. I'm going to close my eyes. And pardon me if it's rough. I'm going to try to do it from memory, okay? When I realized that my home had been broken into, I was so angry and scared. Insurance was able to recover most of what had been stolen, but where was I going to get my peace of mind back? Who was going to help me with that? That's when I called Conway Home Security. They installed a system with 24/7 monitoring, and bit by bit, I'm getting my peace of mind back. I only wish I had called them sooner. You should too. Do you like? I hope that was good. Was that any good? You could do that a few times. That's how you'd use emotion in delivering a piece of content. If you try to deliver that and say, when I realized that my home had been broken into, I was angry and scared. I mean, nobody wants that. They don't buy that. Okay? You've got to engage with the material. And the two schools of thought, as shorthand of it, are to do is to be, and to be is to do. Or to do be, do be, do. Sorry, I won't do that again. To be is to do means that you become the character, you inhabit the character. You'd know that as method acting. And it either turns into a really phenomenal performance that wins an Academy Award, or you just annoy the heck out of your fellow cast members because you're such a weirdo. On the other hand, the other side of that, to do is to be, you just do it, okay? You turn it on, you turn it off like a spigot. You're an actor, just do. Okay, I tend to come down a little bit more on that kind of side of thing. I can be really happy about something, but I don't know if it'll be really convincing unless I engage with it some more. That makes me so upset. I just feel like I can't do enough, and it just burns me up inside. It's acting, okay? You don't want to become like Joey on Friends. I don't know if you watch it. He's doing in the end of the series, he's doing a toast at a wedding, and he's trying to audition for a scout while doing a toast, and he just hammed it up big time. You don't want to ham it up big time. I was a little bit hammy there, I know. But if you read your script, you can engage with it. If the script says, I was scared and I was angry, well, they just told you what to be, okay? And towards the end of it, when you're selling the product, I want to get hopeful, and, I'm getting there. I can do it. Millions of dogs need to be spayed and neutered. Won't you give them a hand? Don't do that. Can you engage with the content? Can you be emotional? Can you read what they're going for, even if it's not spelling it out? And, to me, there's that middle ground, I think, that you should be able to turn it on and turn it off, but you should give something to the performance, and a lot of that will come from your own history and your own personal experience. I thank heavens I've never been broken into, but I can have empathy and realize my word, what would that be like? What if you came home and everything that you had someone else going through it or breaking it or stealing it? Your precious belongings gone, memories and photographs taken away, irreplaceable. Mic drop, right? You got to connect with the material and flow with it and give something to it aside from, here's me doing my voices that I always do because it's my voices. So be a voice actor. as much as possible. Sometimes it's like, this is a used car sales and we're really, really excited because there's a fire sale down at the lot. There's only so much you're going to do emotionally with that. And listening to the client and reading from them and hearing from them and responding to them and what they want is what you really want to do. So that's what I've learned so far. I'm still learning. Don't follow me. You'll get lost. But anyway, get out there and find your voice. I had one job. I could get through a whole video without screwing something up. Can't even do that. Get out there and find your voice. And if this video is helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, it's going to be so upsetting. Some people are going to do that just to get my goat now. Whatever. I do read your comments and I appreciate it. So you guys have a great day. And if you have something to add, please comment below and I'll get back with you if I can. Thanks a lot. Bye.